This promote I use for normalization, company name, person first name, and person job title. And it's worked very well. The fun part is here in first name, Alexander. This promote will turn into uh, something like Alex. So it feels natural and it's worked very well. I using that promote and some months ago. I find them this promote from someone website. If I'm able to find them, I will take them into post. There you will see this promote in clip. I just put them and add variables. And one thing more you need to do, you just need to come here, click on JSON and run this generate from promote. So they will generate the JSON code. You just need to run now. If I run it, there we go. Now I just need to get columns from here. As you see, we have first name, job title, and company name. Three of them normalization.